Hey, what's up guys? So this is the 100th video I've uploaded on this channel, and when I look back I never thought it would make it this far. So this is Droid Tweaker 100 videos later. At the time of recording this video, the subscriber count of the channel is close to 19,000, though I've noticed that it's been trickling for the past few weeks. I've also been irregular and inactive on the channel, but there's a simple reason for that. I do not wish to make repeating video topics such as best apps and games because it gets boring. I'm trying to come up with new ideas, and if you guys have any suggestions, do leave them in the comments below. If you think I should venture in other fields, maybe photography, video editing or anything else, just do let me know. Next, I want to answer one of the most popular questions asked on my channel, and that is how I edit my videos. So I'll be revealing my workflow. Now the video editor I use is not that advanced, and it's called Camtasia Studio 8 and it's a paid software. So I use it only to edit my screen recorded videos, whereas for tech reviews I edit them on either Sony Vegas Pro or Adobe Premiere. And the main reason for that is because Camtasia Studio doesn't have advanced tools like color correction or anything else. So in Camtasia Studio you have the usual, that is media, audio, callouts, transitions and visual effects. Below that you get the timeline on which my currently last video project is loaded up. The only media I usually import is the phone frames and screen recorded videos. For the background I use a callout and resize the elements accordingly. I then add custom animations to the background from the visuals tab to have it come in and go out. I also add animations to the phone and screen recorded videos to have those smooth movements. The process is very similar for most of my videos, just with different ideas for the presentation. For exporting the videos I use custom production settings where the resolution is set to 1080p, quality at 100%, which by default is set at 75%, and audio is set at 320 kbps. By the way, for those of you who might be wondering what I have on my laptop, here's a sneak peek at my desktop. I usually keep it clean unless I'm working on many projects. On the first column it's the basics, that is my PC, quick folders and the browsers. On the second we have a bunch of different audio and video editors. So there is Camtasia Studio, Sony Vegas, Filmora, After Effects, Premiere, Adobe Audition, Photoshop and Lightroom. I use them for different projects. From the third column you can see that I'm quite a gamer, though I've recently uninstalled a few of them. We have The Witcher 3 in all its glory, Far Cry 4, NFS Most Wanted, Fallout 4, Dying Light, Superhot, Watch Dogs, Assassin's Creed Black Flag and of course Bioshock Infinite. I mean, these are like my all-time favorite games. I think I should get the classic Pocket Tanks, which would be great. Oh, and if you guys want to know what's on my phone, then do let me know. Another question I usually get asked is about my thumbnails. For those, sometimes I use my own designs, whereas sometimes I download and edit custom home screen setups that I find on Google+. Usually just search Nova Launcher or HiShoot on Google+, and you'll find some amazing home screen setups. Oh, and those of you wondering where I'm from, here's the answer. So I'm an Indian, but I practically lived my whole life in Kenya. So I've recently moved back to India for study purposes. And that wraps it up guys for today. See you soon.
That'll do.